students, now today we will see our page number 11, that is a boat. So we have to first give outline to this drawing with the black sketch pen, and then we have to start coloring this picture. So first we will color to this sun, this boat. Now give this blue color, this straight vertical lines of these different colors. So first start with this blue color, then give this red color, then give this offline color, gray color, then give this yellow color, then give this red color again, then give this green color, give again this blue violet color, then give this dark yellow color, then give this purple color, then give this pink color, then give this dark brown, then give this sky blue color and this dark blue color here to show the water and complete your drawing. Thank you.